That Tonight channel, and this channel is on right now, but I'm gonna help you guys get ready for from late tonight, early tonight. Hold on, I got my phone right here in front of me. I'm going to.
There were 5 cooling degree days today.
Yes, I know.
The monthly total to 53. The yearly total since January 1st is 62. Sunset tonight is at 8:11 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:03 a.m. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Tonight, a chance of showers in the evening, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may
I think you guys can leave that or not.
in the lower 60s.
All it up for you guys.
15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 15 to 20.
Yeah, this one is for tomorrow morning. But I can, hold on. Without playing that, let's see. No.
West winds 15 to 20.
Thank you. I need that. Okay, hold on. Oh my okay, hold on. Alright. Georgia should be in there in that nest. Yes, it is. There it is. I don't know. You guys can leave that and not. Hold on. Oh, I don't know. You guys can leave that or not. Hold on. Oh, snap! I figured that thing was gonna go off. That is the level alarm. So snap. Let me catch that. Snap. Johns Creek, Georgia. Johns Creek, Georgia. I don't want to do this, but I don't have a choice. Hold on. I'll play this for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see these on the screen, on the tablet screen or not.
I'm Fox 5 Storm Team Meteorologist Ryan Beasley with your weather extra on this Fox 5 Storm Alert Day, as we want to make sure you are alert that some possible severe storms are likely during the overnight hours. Greatest threat is off to our west for tonight, but damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour and a few spin-up tornadoes are possible here in metro Atlanta. Notice a good majority of our viewing area under a level 1 and then a level 2 as you get closer to the Georgia-Alabama state line. And then for after 8 a.m. on your Friday, notice that the greatest risk moves off towards our east. So we're kind of in between the risks as far as the severe weather. Not necessarily meaning that the storms are going to skip over us. It just means the timing is most likely going to be late tonight into early Friday morning. So by 11 o'clock tonight, the storms will be knocking on our door. Here comes the potential for straight line, damaging winds by 3 a.m. into metro Atlanta, and your morning commute tomorrow does not look favorable as we'll be dealing with a lot of torrential rain and possibly still even some warnings during this time. Meteorologist Joanne Feldman will keep you and your family safe during that time on Good Day Atlanta, and by 9 o'clock we see the strongest storms exiting our region to the east. So between midnight tonight and 10 a.m. on your Friday, heavy rain, a few spin-up tornadoes are possible. Damaging winds is your greatest concern. And yes, we could even have some hail up to 1 inch in addition to that. So there are your estimated rainfall totals. One thing I don't want you to let your guard down with is that there will be lingering showers Friday afternoon and evening and even into your Sunday. Here's a look at the potential for damaging winds. You can see the wind will be howling tonight. Winds exceeding 30 miles per hour in many locations by 6 a.m. on Friday. And then the blustery conditions stay with us on Friday afternoon. However, that will be a west-northwest wind, which is a little bit cooler. So in your Fox 5 Storm Team AccuWeather forecast, a lot of the storms are likely before 10 a.m. on your Friday, and then lingering showers the rest of the day. Easter Sunday looks beautiful, but stay with the Fox 5 Storm Team for the latest.
All right.
Today would be a good day to download the Fox 5 Storm Team weather app.
So get ready for tonight. Now what's with the level of Lauren got that one?
Around Atlanta, generally, it was fair. 77 degrees.
Folks, I wasn't thinking that go off, but yeah, I got the curtains closed and close them up. Yes, I just put off the Raymond's alone. And she plays, shoot. Hold on. Yeah, okay, now we got it. Okay. Now let's see, is the live turned on? Yes, it is. I'm on the phone, my tablet didn't cut that. Oh man. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess tomorrow. So be weather alert, aware, and don't let your guard down. Through the night into the morning. And yes, I'll be up half the night anyway. I'm gonna try and get some sleep tonight. It's supposed to be out of here by I think 9 a.m. So we're gonna wait and see. They're gonna do. So it won't get in Metro Atlanta on 3. So we'll do fine. So I'm at the convention center right now. Okay, let's check the other channel. And the other channels that ain't going on right now. Okay, here's on that. On that is clear. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah, right now it is clear right now. So be a little bit alert and ready. It's out through the night. I will have the National Leather Radio playing out through the night. For spiders. Now you guys are storm chasers. Please be careful. Because we lost a few of them. Yeah, we lost a few of them. Alright, let's see. What can I do here? I'm gonna check on the dad.
Say a phone number or contact name to begin.
Dad cell.
Would you like to call or text Dad's cell?
Text dad cell.
Speak your message.
I am checking on you guys this evening.
Message says I am checking on you guys this evening. You can say send, revise, edit, or discard.
Send.
Message sent.
Okay, I just checked on the dad. But he will text me back in here in a second. But I ain't gonna let my guard down. Like I said before, I'll have the leather video running through the night, out through the night, as it, for the in tonight is gonna be a mess. Your morning canoe is gonna be a disaster. What the heck? Okay. Let's see. Atlanta Day schedule.
The Braves will play the Indians tomorrow at 7:10 p.m. at Progressive Field.
We're playing the Indians tomorrow? Wow. Yeah. Back in 2005. No.
The Royals are leading the Yankees.
No. I did it back. I was living at my mom's house. And a best friend back in 1995. We couldn't beat the Indians on our home turf. That we can go to their home turf. We beat them. That they come, the Indians come here. We couldn't beat them in our home turf. You know, I'm going to put in the schedule. Hold on. Set a reminder.
What's the reminder?
The Indians versus the Braves at 7:20.
Sure, I'll remind you at 7:20 p.m.
Hold on. I'm not sure it's light. The foot in there. Atlanta Braves schedule.
Who is your wife?
No. Sorry, guys. Atlanta Braves schedule.
The Braves will face off against the Indians tomorrow at 7:10 p.m.
7:10. Okay. Add the calendar. I can find it on here.
Today, they played the Diamondbacks. The final score was 4-1 Diamondbacks.
Yeah, 4-1. Yeah. Okay. Atlanta Braves schedule.
They will play the Indians tomorrow at 7:10 p.m. Currently, the Royals are leading the
I can't add it to the calendar, but I can. Set reminder.
According to Wikipedia.
Set reminder.
What's the reminder?
The Indians versus the Braves.
Okay, the Indians versus the Lions. When do you want
No.
to be
reminded? Cancel. Set reminder.
Sorry, when did you want to be reminded?
Cancel.
No problem, nothing's been said.
Okay, good. Set reminder.
What's the reminder?
The Indians versus Atlanta Braves.
Okay, Indians versus Atlanta Blaze. When do you want to be reminded?
No. Scratch that.
What's the reminder?
Hold on, guys. I'll do that. I'm not really in pain. Yeah, tomorrow we're looking at the Indians of. You live around Atlanta, Georgia. Please be careful. You're out driving around Metro Atlanta. Late in the early in the morning. You guys gonna go to work at 3 a.m. Please be careful. Right now it's cloudy outside. I can't see up there. Oh goodness, y'all. Yeah. Did I tell it? Yeah, I did. You know. Yeah. That's just Foxworthy. I've been here forever. I like the one he does, the redneck, 12 Days of Christmas. So make sure you have your weather alarms turned on tonight. And get ready for the changes in the weather for the night. And before I go, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please like the video. You get friends and family. I'm done watching. Alright. Like I said before, I might be up half the night anyway. Because it's going to be a lot of noise. And we're going to have some stun up tornadoes. Foot of oh gosh. Alright, folks. Please like, share, comment, and like the video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now. And please stay weather alert in all times tonight. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.